Okay, y'all. Good morning here from the Brian's Bus Adventure. Probably as you've been watching, you notice that we're putting on most of the doors and the hinges and all that kind of stuff here in a bus. And just to kind of give you a look, a little bit of recap here. We have installed that one there. That's the door that goes to the reverse osmosis system. We have attempted to do this one here, and that's what I'm going to be working on today, and I'll be showing you what we're doing. But we did install that one over the refrigerator. That's going to end up where all of the gauges are, the Servo GX, the floor heating gauges, all that kind of stuff that shows what's going on. Also, again, have replaced this door, or placed this door back on. And that's kind of like a big broom closet, and maybe even a little coat closet, so that'll be nice. Coming back into the kitchen again, also I forgot about that one. That's the little, I guess, sponge holder and whatever under the sink, which will go there. And let's see what else we've done back here. Oh yeah, yep. We have installed this door here, which I had probably not shown you or had you had taken off, but put new hinges on it and took the old hinges off because I wanted the soft close on it. Not the slam open, but the soft close on it where it would close itself. And that of course will help us going down the road where it doesn't slam open. But we'll probably still put some kind of locking mechanism on there. The same with down here. We have replaced this little holder here under the sink in the bathroom. Put new hardware and hinges on all of these down here. The one on the right there didn't want to close because that hinge had been sprung. But today, what I really want to show you is this one here. Now this one goes over this hole here where the propane stove used to be, and we've taken that out because we're going to use an induction stove. But we've been working on and trying to figure out a way to get hinges on this puppy, and so far it's just not working. It's just not conducive with this edge right here to put a soft close hinge on it. Tried this one here, but it won't work because it protrudes out too far from the side and won't let it close on this back side over here. So what I'm going to do now, because we have so many dang holes in this thing, I'm going to come back through and I'm going to actually drill the holes out with this drill. And as you can see, I have a piece of bamboo skewer sticking in that hole. So I'll come back in here, drill all these holes out to larger size, and then take some of the good old carpenter's glue here, the wood glue, stick in there, put this back in, then just go ahead and cut it off even, sand it down, and then all those holes will be closed back up. So that's what I'm going to be doing today on this chapter, this challenge in the Brian's Bus Adventure. Well, okay, I have the glue now in the holes, as you can see here. I have that all in there. I've taken the bamboo sticks, cut them off, or cut them off close. I just took a pair of dikes and cut them all off about the same level just to let them dry. And as soon as they dry, I will come back and cut them off really closely and then sand it off. Don't worry about this Elmer's glue on here because, well, first it dries clear, but second of all, when I sand these off, there's not going to be a problem with that at all. So it'll be back smooth. And I haven't filled this one in yet because I'm not quite for sure what we're going to do here. I probably should, but big old hole. That was for that soft closed hinge that just will not work on this scenario. So again, trying to figure that out. These are going to have to come back off too. I should have, I guess, waited and filled those in too because they didn't work. Anyway, that's exactly what I'm doing today on this chapter of the Brian's Bus Adventure. I hope you all like this thing because we are working. It's been, well, we're going to go almost on 2 years now trying to get this thing back together. If you think these bus conversions take, you know, a couple, 3 or 4, 6 months, maybe you better rethink doing one because it is a project. For us, it's a project of love because we want to get on the road and just take off and really enjoy life. So again, I hope you enjoy this. And again, we're trying to do this as good as we possibly can with the funds that are available. And again, the next thing that's going to happen is the floor will be going in, and that's going to be really a challenge. It's going to be a floating floor with a heated floor pad under it that will go all the way from up here in the front. It's going to go all the way back and be a strip just a nice little strip down through here, down through the middle of the bus, all the way back to that hole that's in the back, or that access panel that's in the back here. So when you get out of bed in the morning, you'll have nice warm feet if it's cold, or, you know, and probably with that, won't need any of these supplemental heaters because, as you know, heat rises. So that'll be kind of nice. And let's see, next after that, or before that, actually, I shouldn't say that would be the next thing because it's not. The next thing, yeah, I take that back. The next thing will be the floor, because I'm not going to put this cabinet together, this curved cabinet that will go here on that side of the window, or that side of the lighting standard there, the valance. I won't put that in until after that floor is in. So I guess that's what we're going to do next, is put some floor in, heated floor, and some really nice, it's going to look really good, some nice floating floor. It's one of those click together floors, but it is wood, so that's going to be nice. So again, thanks for watching, and if you like these, please you know, go ahead and like it, and then share it, and you know, subscribe to the channel if you'd like, please, or get on the Patreon at Brian's. It's patreon.com/Brian's Bus Adventure. That would really help us out a lot. But again, we're doing it slowly and surely. I'll also have the speaker back up on that side, so when the system is working, I've taken the big speaker out of there, but it will go on this petition right here when it goes up. It'll go on this side here, so we'll still have that speaker. And let's see, what else we're going to do here. Of course, after that, we'll get back to the front end of this puppy, and I'll be chasing a new boost gauge, not cable, but a hose that'll go from here all the way to the back of the bus to the supercharger that's back there. And that'll let me know what kind of boost we're pushing. And then we have to install the seats up here, passenger seat, navigator, driver seat, and then all the flooring down in here also. A lot to do. And again, of course, I have this window installed. I have to, where you see the red little magnets, that's where that window bottom frame is going to be welded back in. And some of this stuff we're going to do probably while we're on the road. But again, I think that's probably about all you're going to see today here on the Brian's Bus Adventure. Hope you enjoy it, and y'all have a super good day. Thanks for watching.